Engineering works at Belo Monte will be carried out simultaneously at 4 sites: Pimental, the Diversion Canal, Bela Vista and Belo Monte. Since each will have independent structures and most work will be executed on dry land, construction will proceed swiftly and initial energy generation is due to begin in 2015. Nonetheless, the logistical challenges of managing these 4 work sites, each with its own workshops, are indeed formidable. Cafeterias and living quarters. The scale of the project is so vast that the first 6 months will be spent assembling work sites, installing gravel crushing plants, concrete mixers and other facilities. Over an 8-year period, more than 700 heavy earth-moving machines, tractors and bulldozers will be deployed. Hundreds of trucks will be needed, and orders have already been placed for the first batch of 540. Duration of work at each of the 4 work sites will vary, with peak activity in late 2013. By then, work on concrete structures and assembly of equipment at the Pimental site will be fully underway, bearing in mind that 6 turbines are to be in operation by the end of 2015. Also in 2013, along the 20.5-kilometre stretch of the Diversion Canal, excavation work, concreting of the channel bed, laying of rock fill and building of dikes will be fully underway. By the end of 2015, the work on this canal will have been concluded and the intermediate reservoir will be ready to receive flows to power the first turbine in the main powerhouse. Work on this concrete structure will proceed as the project as a whole reaches its peak. The main powerhouse and penstocks at Belo Monte are divided into 2 groups, enabling power generation to begin in stages. At the intake, a wall separates these 2 groups, whereas downstream, their tail races are separated by a rock buttress. Adoption of this strategy enables the first turbine of the main powerhouse to enter operation in March 2016. Thenceforth, at 2-month intervals, a new turbine will be added to the system, with the last of the 18 units due to be installed in February 2019. Workers' accommodation areas will constitute well-structured communities, served by pharmacy and post office. Each will have a leisure centre, internet cafe, library, cinema and theatre, and accommodation blocks will have Wi-Fi broadband connections. Sports facilities will include playing courts, indoor football grounds and athletics facilities. All workers, regardless of professional status, will have access to the same catering and health services. All cafeterias will serve high-quality meals. When work reaches its peak, estimated daily consumption will require 97 tons of beef, 69 of poultry, 37 of pork, and 10 of cold cuts, plus 410 tons of cereals, 130 of fruit, and 80 tons of vegetables. Primary health care for workers will be provided through outpatients units at each worksite, with an ambulance and mobile intensive care unit constantly on standby. At the main residential site, a complete hospital will be built, equipped with operating theatres, delivery rooms and a paediatric ward. The well-being of workers is a prime concern, and for those originally from distant parts of Brazil, fares will periodically be provided so they can visit their families. Discussion of engineering projects focuses attention on machinery, equipment, infrastructure and deadlines, but the human dimension must never be overlooked. These workers are devoting their lives to construction of Belo Monte.